Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to set auto rotate screen in Realme P4R. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.